Key check space minus O, key checks off, safety space minus O, he's turning the safety systems off. He doesn't want anybody to see what he's about to do. Now, look at this next thing. It's quite rapid object. Whatever it did it all. So the key checks off, the computer didn't file the keystroke, so the only way to find it now is to go do the computer's lines of code one by one. About 2 million.
Prototype. I wonder if perhaps you would be good enough to take a test tube and bring back my invention. Sure.
I can't get Jurassic Park back online without this. You can do it. Do it.